Understanding tax-saving strategies, different investment options, and how to read stock charts are undoubtedly valuable skills for investors. But without the right mindset, this knowledge alone means nothing. That's why in this video, we'll delve into the 5 essential mindset traits that make the best investors and how you can apply them not only to your investing, but to enhance your overall life. Starting with the first trait, which is having a long-term perspective. By allowing your investments to grow over time without interruption, you give them the opportunity to create substantial wealth. But wealth doesn't happen overnight. One of the challenges many investors deal with is the temptation to chase short-term gains. But getting caught up in the excitement of getting rich quick usually leads to impulsive decisions that are bad for your overall investing strategy. Not only that, but practically speaking, there's real benefits to investing with a long-term mindset. For one, you'll pay much less taxes. Short-term capital gains rates are much higher than long-term capital gains rates, so it's usually in your favor to hold your investments for longer. 2, less of your returns will be eaten up by transaction fees. The more you buy and sell your investments, the more fees you'll have to pay with each transaction, so moving your investments around less often can help you keep more of your returns. And 3, your investments will benefit more from compounding the longer you hold on to them. And if you want to learn more about the power of compounding, check out my video linked above. The next trait that the best investors have is a willingness to embrace continuous learning. As an investor, having a growth mindset is critical for staying ahead, especially in a world that's constantly changing. This means constantly seeking opportunities to learn and improve, and appreciating challenges as growth opportunities rather than roadblocks. This also means learning from your own mistakes. Reflecting on your past investment decisions lets you identify areas for improvement and make better choices in the future. And with a mindset like this, you open yourself up to new opportunities and become better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of the markets. So what are some ways you can learn in the financial world? Well, if you're watching this video and you subscribe to my channel, you're off to a great start. But on top of that, staying up to date on financial news and trends, reading investing books, and engaging in discussions with other investors to hear different perspectives are all fantastic ways to keep learning. Now moving on to the next mindset trait of the best investors, and that is consistency. In a world filled with market volatility and short-term fluctuations, consistency allows successful investors to stay focused on their long-term goals and avoid impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Successful investors also stay consistent with their contributions to their investment portfolio over time, since they know it's not about timing the market, but about time in the market. So what are some practical ways you can maintain consistency in your investing? Well, first, you can automate your investments as much as possible. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts. That way you can ensure consistent contributions without even thinking about it. You should also resist the urge to get swayed by short-term market noise. Trust in your investment strategy and resist the urge to make impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Which is a great segue into the next mindset trait of successful investors, which is the ability to be objective and manage emotions. Emotions play a significant role in our lives, and investing is no exception. Successful investors understand that making investment decisions based on fear or greed usually leads to poor outcomes, which means managing fear is crucial. During market downturns, it's natural to feel anxious and worry about the value of your investments. But those are the times where taking a step back and assessing the long-term fundamentals of your investments objectively is most important. Some strategies you can use to help maintain that objectivity when investing are first understanding the risks of your investments up front. Investing always comes with ups and downs, but understanding the risks of your specific investments before you invest can better prepare you to assess the situation with an objective eye when downturns actually do come. Next, have a consistent process and clear criteria for evaluating investments. When you have a clear and consistent framework that aligns with your goals, then you always have something to go off of when deciding if an investment is right for you. And if an investment doesn't meet your criteria, it makes it much easier to say no. Finally, writing down why you invested in certain investments can also help you stay objective. When researching an investment, documenting your reasons for why you made the investment and what you expect out of it can make it easier to stick to your plan. It gives you something to go back to in order to remind yourself why you invested in the first place if fear starts to creep in. Which brings us to the 5th trait of the most successful investors, and that is optimism and positivity. While others might focus on the negatives, an optimistic investor keeps an eye out for potential areas of growth and profit. That being said, optimism is not about blindly ignoring risks. It's about having a balanced perspective and believing in the potential for long-term success. The best way to maintain a balanced perspective is to stay informed and educated about the market. Understanding the trends, fundamentals, and economic indicators can help you make more informed and confident investment decisions. And it can also help you see opportunities even in the darkest times. So as you can see, having the right mindset is absolutely critical to being successful as an investor. And whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, I encourage you to apply these qualities to your investing since they're a solid foundation to financial success. So with that, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button to see more videos like this one.